Today I will show you how to create components in Figma. So we will create a component of a button. So first what we will do is we'll add a text and we'll call it button. I already added some styling to this button. Now we will drag a frame around this button and we will fill it with some color, let's say white. We will also round these corners a little bit to make it look nicer. And what we will do is we will select both of these frames and button and we will click auto layout and we will add some padding inside of it to make it look better. And now we will create a component of this button. So we will click on this frame and we will click this option, create a component, or you can use a shortcut Control Alt plus K, and now you create a component. So what this does is now you kind of created a reusable element. So for example, when we created this component, we added this button under assets and under local components, and we can drag this how many times we want. And what we can do now is we can change this original component, which you can recognize by these four filled cubes inside of the diamond, and other ones are hello, as you can see. This is the original one, and when you change the original component, all these instances, these buttons, like reflections of this button, will also change. So for example, if we change the color, all those colors will change on these buttons. If we change the padding, left and right, it will also change. But if we change any of these buttons, it will just apply to this one. It will not apply to others. And that's why we can use components in Figma.